At some point in Carson City's home search, your calendar starts arguing with your heart. The West Side may have pulled you in the first with the older homes, historic streets, and that classic Carson City charm. That normal Tuesday shows up, you need to get to Reno. An appointment has to take you north.
Groceries, work, fitness, school logistics, medical care, or airport access begin shaping the decision more than the prettiest front porch that you toured last week. That is when North Carson City starts making more sense. It may not always be the most emotional part of the search, but for the right buyer, this side of town can make daily life feel easier.
The question is not whether North Carson is charming enough. The better question is whether its location actually supports the way you want to move through northern Nevada.
Today, we're going deeper into North Carson City. We're going to talk about Reno access, convenience, different pockets within the area, new commercial growth, cost of living, property tax context, and the type of buyer who should take this part of town seriously.
Drop a comment before we get too far and tell me what would matter more in your search, saving time every week or living the most charming part of town. That answer usually reveals a lot. Let's start with the simplest truth. North Carson is the side of town where practically becomes part of the value. During the early part of a home search, buyers usually focus on a price, a bedroom, even the finishes, the views, the garage space, and how the home feels during the showing. And those things absolutely do matter. Daily rhythm and lifestyle matter longer. How a house looks is perfect online can become frustrating when every errand, appointment, or commute adds a little bit more friction to your week.
On the other hand, a home that feels less dramatic at first can become more valuable because it makes your life work. North Carson often fits that second category. This area tends to make sense for buyers who want Carson City, but still need easy movement toward Reno, Washoe Valley, or the broader northern Nevada corridor. If your life consistently pulls north, location should not be treated like a small detail. It becomes part of your quality of life.
A few minutes may seem insignificant during one showing. After months of repeating the same drive, convenience can feel like one of the smartest decisions you've ever made. That is the heart of North Carson. It's not trying to compete with the West Side on the history, but the appeal comes from a little bit more function. And for some buyers, that function wins.
Now, let's talk about why Reno access matters so much. Carson City has its own identity, but people who live here don't always live inside that Carson City only bubble. Work can take you north, specialists, shopping, airport runs, events, business meetings, and family obligations might pull you towards Reno or Washoe Valley more often than expected. If that sounds like your life, North Carson should be part of the conversation early. You still get to live in Carson City, your weekly movement can feel more connected to the whole region.
And that balance really does matter. For relocators who like Carson City and like the Carson City's pace but do not want to feel too far from the larger services and amenities, it also matters for local buyers who already know how often they travel between Carson City and Reno. And sometimes the smartest choice is not the area that looks best in the lifestyle photo. It is the location that respects your schedule. And here's what buyers need to be careful of.
North Carson is not one single experience. Some streets feel residential and quiet. Certain pockets sit closer to services, retail, fitness, groceries, medical access, or major roads. A home may feel tucked away, even though it's not far from convenience. Another property can offer useful access while still feeling way too active for someone who wants more separation. That's why a broad label like North Carson doesn't tell the whole story. You need to understand the exact pocket. Road access matters, nearby uses matter.
And the way the neighborhood feels at different times of the day matter too. A buyer who wants quick errands may love being near commercial activity, and someone who needs quiet above everything else may prefer more removed from the streets in the neighborhood like Timberline, Lakeview. Both properties could be looking in North Carson City, but they're not looking in the same version of it. And that is why touring with context really actually is important. You're not only asking whether or not the home is nice, you're asking whether the address supports your week.
Think about your own routine for a second. Where do you go before work? How often do you drive north? Which stores or services do you use without thinking about it? Would easy access reduce stress, or would nearby activity bother you? Those questions will tell you a lot more than another scroll through some listing photos. North Carson rewards buyers who are honest about how they actually live.
Now, new growth has changed, and the convenience and the conversation is here. North Carson Crossing brought some commercial additions like Sprouts and Planet Fitness that matter because daily needs influence how the area feels. A grocery store or gym do not automatically make every nearby home the right choice. Still, buyers care about how quickly they can get through their normal routines. Food, fitness, services, road access, and errands become part of a lifestyle equation. When those pieces improve the area, it can start to feel more complete.
That doesn't mean every buyer wants to be close to new commercial activity, though. Growth can add convenience, but it can also bring more movement around certain corridors. A buyer who likes energy can see that as a benefit, but a person who's seeking that quieter residential feel might want more distance from that. The point is not to label growth as good or bad, but the smart approach is to ask whether the changes support your life.
North Carson gives you a real opportunity to make that evaluation. Now let's bring the cost of living into this, because North Carson should not be judged only by the list price of the home. It's going to be the convenience. The convenience has its own cost, and inconvenience does too. Most buyers calculate mortgage payment, taxes, insurance, and maybe even utilities. But very few people calculate the value of time. A shorter drive towards Reno can change your week. Quick access to services may reduce the number of small hassles you deal with. Fuel, commute, stress, a car's wear and tear, and wasted time all belong in the affordability conversation. That does not mean you should overpay for a convenient location. It means you should compare homes with the full picture in mind. A property in another part of town might look charming, but North Carson City may offer a cleaner routine for you.
Right. And which one is better depends on what you value most. For a buyer who travels north constantly, saving time might be worth way more than a decorative feature inside the house. For someone who rarely leaves the center of Carson City, that advantage probably won't carry that same weight. And that's why cost of living needs to be super personal. A spreadsheet can show numbers, your routine is going to show you the truth.
Now, property taxes also need part of the monthly affordability picture. Carson City calculates property taxes based on assessed value and the applicable tax rate. For primary residents, Nevada has a 3% property tax cap structure that can help limit annual increase on your tax bill. Now that matters for buyers comparing Carson City with Reno, Spark, or other nearby Nevada communities. Nevada also has no individual income tax, which can be appealing for buyers relocating from higher tax states like California.
Even with that advantage, the full ownership picture still includes property taxes, sales tax, insurance, maintenance, utilities, and just that everyday cost of getting around. Carson City's combined sales tax rate is listed at 7.6% for 2026.
Those numbers are not meant to make this video feel like a tax class. That matters because buyers often compare areas too casually. A home can look cheaper until you start factoring in the commute, the condition, the taxes, the maintenance, and how much your life happens somewhere else. North Carson becomes more compelling when the convenience helps offset some of those hidden costs. And if that is less compelling, if you're paying for access you'll not actually use, that is kind of the honest comparison buyers need to look at before they write an offer.
Yep, totally. Around this point, I want you to comment where you would be driving most often if you lived in Carson City. Reno, downtown Carson, Washoe Valley, Carson Valley, Tahoe. Your answer will tell us and you whether North Carson is the smart place to focus or simply one area to keep in the mix. Now, let's compare North Carson to the west side for a moment, because those two areas can attract really different buyers.
West Carson often appeals to people who want a lot of history, mature streets, older architecture, and downtown charm. North Carson usually speaks to buyers who are more about movement, trail access, or access to the freeway and convenience. Neither area is automatically better, but they definitely solve different problems.
A buyer who wants to feel emotionally connected to the historic core is probably going to keep coming back to the west side. Someone with a packed schedule and frequent Reno trips are going to find North Carson more realistic. This is where people need to stop asking which area is best. The more useful question really is which area fits the life I actually live. And that small shift can change your entire search.
Now, both the north and the west side are very close to each other, so a beautiful older home in the wrong location can create a little bit of frustration. A practical home in the right place can quietly improve your entire week. North Carson makes most sense when the second option matters more. Now, within North Carson, buyers should pay attention to the difference between connected and busy. Connected means the location gives you a little bit more of useful access. Busy means the surrounding activity may feel like a little too much for your lifestyle. And those two things can sit very close together, just like the west and the north side of Carson City.
A home near services might be perfect for someone who wants convenience, and that same setting might feel too active for a buyer who wants peace and separation. This is why you shouldn't tour North Carson once and assume you understand it. Driving the area at different times, if you can help. Notice how traffic feels during your normal commute window. Make sure to explore the smaller neighborhoods in Timberline and Lakeview that have that quiet, tucked away feel. Pay attention to how far the home sits from the places you use most. Look at the street, not just the house. Think about whether the setting will feel better or worse after the excitement of buying fades. Those details really help shape the homeownership experience.
A strong decision comes from understanding them before you're emotionally attached. Now, Who is North Carson City best for? It can be a strong fit for buyers who want Carson City but still need regional access. People who travel towards Reno often should give it some serious attention. Busy professionals may appreciate how much time practical location can actually save. Relocators who like Carson City's pace but still want connection to larger amenities may see the appeal quickly. Move-up buyers can also find value here if the function matters more than the historic charm. Investors may evaluate the area through convenience, service, access, and long-term buyer demand.
And we can't forget about access to golf courses. Silver Oak Golf Course can literally be in your backyard in North Carson, and the Toyabe course is just over the hill in Washoe Valley. That said, not every buyer will connect with North Carson. Someone who is searching for that older architecture and the downtown atmosphere are going to feel that pull toward West Carson. A person who wants strong access toward Gardnerville, Minden, Genoa, or Carson Valley might find South Carson to be more logical.
Right. The buyers who are very budget-driven may also compare the east side of Carson City or nearby communities. That is the point of breaking Carson City down into sections. Each area has a role. North Carson's role is practical, connected, convenience-driven, and trying to make it something else misses the point.
Let's talk about how this affects the actual home search. When buyers look at North Carson, they shouldn't get distracted only by the finishes. A nice kitchen won't fix a bad routine. A large living room doesn't matter as much if location creates frustration. Instead, evaluate the home and the area together. Does the floor plan work? Can the driveway, garage, and storage handle your life? What services are nearby? How often are you going to use that northern access? Does the street feel comfortable for your lifestyle? Would you choose this location again after living through one average week in your life? That last question is a big one.
It absolutely is. And buying a home is emotional, but living in it is practical. North Carson is an area where the practical side of the decision deserves respect. If it saves you time, supports your schedule, and keeps your life connected to the places you already use, that value is real. When the home itself also fits your budget, your needs, and the decision, that becomes much stronger.
Now, sellers in North Carson should understand this too. The story of a home here should not be limited to bedroom count and square footage. Convenience needs to be a part of the marketing. Reno access should be explained clearly. Nearby services, growth, road access, and daily usability can help buyers understand why that location matters so much. A buyer might not feel instant emotion when they first see the area online, but once they understand how the home supports their routine or what amenities are offered in it, the property can become really compelling.
And that's especially true for people moving from outside of the region. They may not know why this side of Carson City really matters. Good marketing should help them understand the lifestyle, not just the floor plan.
For buyers, that means asking better questions too. For sellers, that means telling the right story. North Carson's not about trying to sound more charming than it is. The strength of this area comes from its usefulness and its amenities. When usefulness is presented well, it becomes a real advantage.
Now, let's bring this back to the bigger Carson City picture. The west side can feel like the heart of the city. The north side of Carson City often feels like the calendar. One speaks to an atmosphere and the other one speaks to your movement. Some buyers might need both, but most people eventually discover which one matters more. If your life already pulls you a little bit more north, ignoring the North Carson may create an unnecessary friction.
Totally. And when your weekly routine is centered somewhere else, this area might not offer enough to become the top choice. That's why there's no universal answer. The right area depends on your pattern. And it's worth saying that a lot of parts of North Carson are going to be those quiet, tucked away neighborhoods. It's really popular for the retirement community as well. Their errands, commute, appointments, hobbies, family needs, and their travel habits are going to help shape that search ultimately. A home doesn't exist in isolation. The address becomes part of your life the moment you move in. North Carson deserves attention because it understands that reality.
It may not be the first area every buyer dreams about. For the buyer who values convenience, it can become the area that makes really the most sense. And sometimes that is a better real estate decision. Before you choose a home in North Carson, walk yourself through a normal week. Picture the drive that you take the most. Think about what services you want nearby. Compare the convenience against the price. Look at the property taxes as part of the monthly picture. Consider whether the growth nearby improves your lifestyle or feels too active. Be honest about whether you want practical access more than historic charm.
Once you answer those questions, North Carson becomes easier to evaluate. You'll see why it belongs on your list, or you'll realize another side of Carson City fits better. Either outcome is useful. The goal is not to force yourself into one location, it's to find a home that supports the life you're actually going to live.
I'm Jill Larson with the Larson Miller Group.
And I am Rat Miller.
We help buyers, sellers, and move-up homeowners and investors make confident real estate decisions throughout Carson City and Northern Nevada.
If you're trying to compare North Carson with the West Side, South Carson, East Carson, Reno, Sparks, or Washoe Valley, reach out and we can talk through whether the area fits your lifestyle, budget, or your long-term plans.
Subscribe for the next Carson City area breakdown because each side of the town tells a different story, and once you understand how people really live here,
You'll be able to make the best decision for you.